Cybersecurity is much more than a matter of IT. Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the students of grade 8, are going to share some information about cybersecurity with you all through some skits. So, without wasting any time, let's proceed. This first skit is about cyber hacking.
Amida,
Yes, Dad.
I am going to the market. Take the phone and take your online classes.
Okay, Dad.
After the father leaves the house, the child receives a call from an unknown person.
Good morning, sir. I am speaking from your mobile services. You have not updated your mobile phone. You need to update it, otherwise your number will be blocked and you will not be able to use your mobile phone.
But my father's not at home.
You can fill this online also. I am sending you a link where you can click and an app will be downloaded from your Play Store. In that, you can fill your details, and for that we will charge 1 rupee and your details will be updated.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Oh, link has come. Let's download this app. It's downloaded. This app is asking for details. Okay, let's allow. It's asking for paying 1 rupee. Okay, paid. Otherwise, if the phone number will be blocked, then I will be not able to study. All the details are filled. Yes. Now it's updated. Now let's study. Oh, there is a message. It came from my father's account. What? 50,000 rupees are deducted?
Did you see how the child filled the form and the mobile got hacked? This is why it is suggested that passwords shouldn't be told to kids. Now, let's proceed with our second skit. This second skit is about cyberbullying.
Something is bothering Rohan a lot. As after coming from school, he directly went to his room and locked himself. I think I should talk to him, but I know he won't tell me anything. So I should probably ask his brother Raj. He would definitely know the reason why Rohan is upset. Raj?
Yes, Mom.
Raj, do you know why is Rohan upset? Did something take place in the school?
Mom, someone abused Rohan on Facebook and I think he's upset with that only.
Oh, so that's the case. Raj, you go. I'll talk to your father and I'll ask him to talk to Rohan.
Okay, Mom.
Where is Rohan?
Rohan is in his room.
Okay, Rohan?
Yes, Dad.
Rohan, your mother told me you are upset since you came from school. Why are you upset? Did something take place in your school?
No, Dad. I'm absolutely fine.
Rohan, please don't lie. Raj has told me everything about what happened with you on Facebook.
Yes, Mom. Whatever Raj told you was true. And I don't tell you both because I thought that you both will scold me. Sorry, Mom and Dad.
It's okay, Rohan, but please don't worry. Everything will be fine, and in future, never hide anything from your parents. We might scold you a bit, but we will always help you.
Yes, Rohan, your mother is right. Do not worry. Now go and play.
Okay, Mom and Dad. Thank you for explaining everything to me.
This is the end of our second skit. Now, let's proceed to our third skit.
Oh, what's this? Why am I not able to open my apps? I think my phone got hacked. Now what can I do? Let me call Ritvik. He will be able to help me.
Oh, how did it happen?
I don't know, but I'm not able to open my apps. And I got the message that your phone is hacked.
Oh, that's very sad. Let me take Mayank and Ayan also at the conference.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, yes, how are you all? We are fine.
Rohan tells everything to his friends.
Oh, that's very wrong. The hacker must be handling all of your accounts and your social sites.
Oh yes, I didn't think about it.
Yes, he must be. Please, as fast as you can, just close all your accounts and tell your other friends not to accept any request from your ID as the hacker might hack their phones also.
Yes, I am doing it now. Okay.
Rohan then messages everybody, and this is how our third skit is over. Now, I would like to tell you some cybersecurity protocols which should be followed by all. Use a firewall. One of the first lines of defense in a cyber attack is a firewall.
Never leave your devices unattended.
Secure configuration.
Document your cybersecurity policies.
Be aware of on which website you are visiting. Please check that it is secure or not.
Plan for mobile devices.
Network security.
Educate all employees.
Avoid phishing scams. Be aware of suspicious emails and phone calls.
Regularly back up all data.
Practice good password management. You can include capital and small letter alphabets, numbers, and also some symbols.
Install anti-malware software.
You are target to many hackers, so keep your software updated.
Risk management regime.
Use multi-factor identification. Thank you for watching our play. Hope it would have awared you about cybersecurity. Thank you.